Hello, teacher. My name is Bernardo Mercedes. Now I'm going to pronounce the sound O, O, from the unit 13. The word says off, off, on, on, often, gone, all, auto, fault, daughter, cough, caught, off, long, cough, but, brought. The sentences: draw water from the faucet. The water is always calm in August. I thought Audrey saw a lawyer. You ought to have brought your daughter. You ought to have brought your daughter. Compare the sound O and the sound A. Cough, cough, cough. Gone, gone. But. Long, long. Song, sang. Wrong, wrong. Caught, caught. Golf, golf. The sentences with the two sounds, with the sound O, the sound A. But was caught with a gun he bought. Sonny has sung all the wrong love song. Audrey bought the awesome puppies. Maud got cough from the awful clouds. Comparing the sound U with the sound A. Long, the sound O with the sound A. Long, long. But, caught, off, laugh, laugh, ball, on, bust. The sentences with the two sound O and A. Joe caught the mole in the lawn. Paula lost her coat in the long walk. The tall otter is his own boss. He bought the old but then walked home. That's okay.